The last thing you want is to start editing your video and realize the audio sounds like garbage. Luckily, the DJI Mic Mini has the safety track feature to help protect your audio. To turn this feature on, you're going to need to hold down the power button until the light turns blue. Make sure it's switched off before you start this. Once this light is blinking blue, you can go and open up the Mimo app on your phone. You should see the DJI Mic Mini receiver show up and tap connect, and that's going to allow us to change the settings. And the setting you want to enable is this safety track feature. Just going to turn that on. Now the receiver will send 2 copies of your audio down this cable into your camera's microphone input. On one side of the stereo signal, you'll get the normal copy, and on the second side of the stereo signal, you'll get the safety track copy. Now you can just go and record your video. When you import your video file to your video editing software, whatever that might be, you'll see that you've got a stereo audio file, and on one side the signal is lower than the other. The lower level side is the safety track side. If the main copy of the audio is just fine, then you can just simply use that in your video editing software by using just that side of the stereo signal as a mono signal. Depending on your video editing software, you can do that in different ways. But if that main copy sounds garbage because it's overloaded and too loud and it's clipping, then you can instead use the other side of the stereo signal, the safety track side, which is recorded at a lower volume level, so hopefully it won't have clipped. The safety track feature won't help if you've actually overloaded the microphone capsule with too high a sound pressure level when you're recording. For example, if you try and use this right next to a speaker at a rock concert. And as you can see in the app here, you can only use this safety track feature when you're in mono mode. If you switch to stereo mode, this safety track feature is not available because you need both sides of the stereo signal, one for each of the 2 transmitters you might be using. You're also going to want to set up your sound levels correctly. This video will show you how to do that, and you also want to explore the other settings which you can learn about in this video. I'm Jason Roberts, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Bye.